Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make Waffles Teen Titans Easy Guide. Start by whisking dry ingredients in a bowl, then whisk milk and eggs separately. Pour wet into dry and stir until just combined, then fold in melted butter gently. Let batter rest 5 minutes while the iron heats. Scoop batter and cook until golden brown and crisp on both sides, then serve with toppings and enjoy the warm waffles. In this video, I will explain how to make Waffles Teen Titans Easy Guide. Gently mix to avoid overworking the batter, which keeps waffles tender. Resting the batter helps create light pockets and better texture when cooked. If batter seems too thick, add milk a little at a time until it flows but still holds shape. If too thin, add a spoon of flour. Temperature and rest time are small but important details. In this video, I will explain how to make Waffles Teen Titans Easy Guide. Quick recommendation: life is short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your ride smelling great after grab-and-go waffles. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like, it really helps the channel. Look in the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make Waffles Teen Titans Easy Guide. Spoon batter into the center of the preheated iron and close, then wait for steam to slow before opening. Aim for a deep golden color and crisp edges for ideal texture. Transfer cooked waffles to a rack to stay crisp while you finish the batch. Stack and serve warm with your chosen toppings for a satisfying breakfast or snack.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.